Hi, I'm Ritchie, and I'm at the Blue Saucer in Seattle. And I'm going to demonstrate the etching press that's going to North Carolina for Bill Bivens. And it's a special press because it has a printer's chest. So the first thing I do is unlock the printer's chest. And you come inside. The etching press is held down with two thumb screws in the bottom. This is a Halfwood Press. And when I've got it on the top, I fasten it down again so I can work on it. It won't move around. The press comes with a box, a little box that contains all the things the owner bought. The blankets for the etchings. You have stamps. There's an owner's manual and a test plate and a set of Allen wrenches for keeping the wheel tight. When this video is finished, there will be a DVD. This is the little book that tells about the birth of the press, and again a stamp, everything all very official, like a birth certificate. Now I'll start setting up for printing. The first thing I need is a printing plate. I make a test plate for every press I mill. The image is almost the same on all of these test plates for this edition, 2010, of 49 presses. So there are 49 copper etchings. Also in my supplies I have paper in a sandwich bag. It's been soaking for about 2 hours. An ink spatula. Another spatula. In this box I have some plate oil. A few rags for cleaning up. This is telephone pages for when I'm wiping the plate. This is a little pad that I use to hold the plate while I'm wiping it. I call it a sticky pad. This is household plastic non-slip material. Here I have a squeegee, rubber gloves, some talcum powder, baby powder, and most importantly, my ink. I'm using a Charbonnel etching ink. The chest has glass or acrylic plastic slabs, inking areas on the front here. It doesn't take much ink. I often wipe my plates warm, but today we don't have a hot plate. So instead, I'll just add a little bit of printer's burnt plate oil. Mix that in real easily, and it will make the inking and the wiping quite fast. The oil and the ink are mixed now. Pick up a little with my squeegee and squeegee it onto the plate.
Grande unsweet white cake.
This little bag contains tarlatan, which is a starchy kind of cheesecloth material. After I've used the tarlatan for a while, the image is fairly clear, and then I'll switch to telephone book pages. Now for the final part, which is the hand wipe using the talcum powder. Then I have to clean the edges of the plate. When the edges are clean, I'll be getting my paper ready. It's hard to handle your paper without getting ink on it at this point, so I use talcum powder to help. The paper has a lot of water on the surface, so I need to blot that off. Now I'm ready to put the blankets in the press and get the pressure ready. We use 2 blankets, a sizing catcher and a pusher. To get started, I put the pressure all the way down, and then I back off about 6 or 8 half turns, and then I squeeze it back down again. There are what we call roller rulers on the side, and I can line up the block with the numbers and the letters on the side to show how much pressure there is, and that way keep the roller even. The roller has to be even and level all the way across.
So the tea looks like there's stuff in it, but it's just clouds when it gets cold.
Okay. Now the camera will move around to the other side to show the proof. There's the first trial proof. When I test the presses, I always pull 2 proofs. One I keep for myself, and one I send with the press to the new owner.
Okay.
Yeah. And now I'm ready for the second proof. And I like to write down what I call the moment number. This is today's year, the year 2010, the month, 9 for September, and the day is the 23rd, and the time, 14:10. That's the moment number, the moment this proof was printed. And there's trial proof number 2. Well, that completes the test of Mini Halfwood Press number 63 for Phil in North Carolina, and a quick look at the prototype model for the printer's chest that I'm in the process of designing now. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Jane, for letting us use the blue saucer for our test.